and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe now there and click the bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I posted a new video. So for today's video guys, as you can see on our title and thumbnail, what we are going to do is to have a makeup tutorial. So it's been a while since my last makeup vlog and I'm so excited to do this guys. And if you wanna know, halang ingay! Pasensya na sa background noise since hindi ko gamit yung mic ko and nalobat siya while I'm filming this vlog. Anyways, if you wanna know how I made this clean girl makeup look, just keep on watching. And guys, make sure to not skip this video and panoorin nyo talaga hanggang dulo kasi I have a surprise for you guys. Kaya, let's proceed to the video.
Guys, this is my bare face, as in wala pa akong something sa face ko, and I'll put my sunscreen first before I put my primer and makeups on. After putting my sunscreen, I'll put my primer. So this is from Everbelen na pwede kayong kumuha ng kahit anong primer. So dati yung ginagamit ko is itong Quick Effects na No Shine Mattifier. This is around 59 or 99 something or 119 pesos. Basta nandun lang yung nag-range yung price nito. Kaya ito yung binibili ko before. And actually, meron pa tong laman. Hindi ko lang siya ginagamit since I have this one nga. So, this is from Everbelen Pro First Step Mattifying Primer. So, ito yung ginagamit kong prime. And so far, so good siya. First time ko kasi ito matry. And hindi talaga nagkikakey yung makeup ko dito, guys. As in, lagyan nyo lang yung mga pores nyo. And yung madalas na nagkakaroon kayo ng oiliness, yan, sa T-zone nyo. Guys, wait your primer to dry and then apply your liquid base, BB cream, concealer, foundation, or kung ano mang liquid yan. Kasi kapag nilagay nyo yan, nabasa pa yung face nyo, girl, trust me, magbabakbak at magkikakey ang face nyo. So guys, as you can see, hindi ako clear skin and nagko-cover lang talaga dyan is mga foundation, concealer, and so on. And today, I'll be using this Everbelen All Day Liquid Foundation in a sachet. So as mention ko, kung nanonood ako ng mga previous vlogs ko, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng mga foundation na ganito. So ito yung first ever foundation ko na naka-bottle kasi nga, hindi naman ako madalas or hindi ako araw-araw talaga nag-makeup unless yan, araw-araw ko alis, araw-araw ko nasa school. Pero ngayon, since mag-vlog tayo, syempre, let's use this BB cream. Actually guys, kaya hindi ko ginagamit yung detail ko kasi it's too dark for me pala. So, mali yung shade na nakuha ko and talaga nag-oxidize pa to. Ayan siya. Ito yung shade na nakuha ko and ito yung shade ko kasi. So, diba, ang layo ng difference. So, ang ginagawa ko dito is ginagawa ko siyang pang-contour na lang para hindi naman sayang yung bili ko, girl. I will put my foundation na guys using this flat brush. So, ito lang yung maliit na flat brush ko ngayon kasi tinapon ko na yung bigger brush ko. And actually, pwede ko namang gamitin yung wait lang, gamitin natin yung dent brush ko. This is my dent brush. Ayan, pwede actually i-pump yun lang dito yung product nyo pero ako ayoko. So, naglalagay ako sa back of my hand and then itatap natin siya. Kapag may product na, you can apply it. Just glide it on your face. Mas maganda pala yung coverage kapag naka-brush. Ayan o. I like it so much. O, diba? Parang binura yung face mo, guys. Parang ka nagbubura ng, alam mo yun, ng nakaraan kapag naka-brush ka. Ayan, guys, yung difference. So, ito yung meron na. Ito yung wala pa, diba? So, ayan yung face ko ngayon. Actually, mga dark spot na yan or pinagpimpulan ko and ang hirap na talaga tanggalin as in. I've been so much in stress lately kasi sobrang stress ako lately lalo na nung thesis namin. Kasi girl, as in alas 2, alas 3 na kami natutulog para matapos agad. So, ayan, i-blend, blend, blend mo lang. Honestly guys, this is the first time na ginamit ko tong brush na to. And nakita nyo naman kanina, ayan, na wala pang kadumi-dumi talaga yan. So ngayon ko pa lang to ginamit. And ito pa yung plastic niya, girl. So I received this last Christmas from Tita Gemma. And sobrang nasatisfy ako sa coverage na binigay niya dun sa face ko. Like, girl, nabura niya talaga. Tapos ngayon, magkukontour naman tayo. So I'll be using the other dents that I bought. So, this is for contour naman. So, ayan, ganyan siya. Bago pa sila, guys. And sobrang ganda rin ito kasi sobrang intact nung pagka-brush niya. Ayan. So, I'm gonna just tap it here and then put it right here. Para magkaroon ng depth ang ating Fezla look. So, I also have a smaller version of this one, guys. And that is for my nose contouring. And ngayon ko pa lang din siya i-try. So, diba, napaka-special naman na nag-request ng ating makeup tutorial na yarn. Talagang ginamit ang mga bagong tools. Well, anyways, excited na rin naman talaga akong gamitin. And kasi pag nami-makeup ako ng everyday, hindi ko sila magalaw kasi nagmamadali ako. Baka mamaya kung saan ko lang sila mapatong, ganyan. So, ngayon, dito lang naman ako sa bahay. I don't have something to do unless pupunta ako mamaya ng store. Siguro after lunch, after this vlog. So, ayun. Sorry guys, nakatingin kasi ako sa screen since I'm blending my contour. Ayan. May depth na yung ating cheeks and what do you call it? Forehead. So, I'm done with my cheek and forehead contour. So, I'll be using this smaller version. So, this is what it looks like kapag magkatabi sila. Ayan. So, pretty cute, diba? So, I'm gonna put some contour, nose contour. Dahil ang ating nose ay hindi nabiyayaan ng bridge. Hence! So, I need more product. Very konti lang. Anyways, let's do this. Guys, the tip that I will give it to you is to put all of your liquid base first before putting some powder on. So, ayan. Tulad ng ginawa ko, foundation. Then, liquid kasi yung ginagamit ko na pang contour. So, isinabay ko na rin siya. Pero kung yung pang contour mo is powder, girl, sa last mo yan ilagay kapag naglagay ka na ng powder dyan sa face mo kasi talaga magkikakey yan. So, ayan. I-blend lang natin. Again, guys, liquid base pa rin tayo. So, I'll be using my concealer. So, let's put it here and here. And then, dito sa bridge. Ayan. And then here. So, for lifted look, I'll put some contour here. So, I have here a darker shade of concealer. So, I also use this for contour. Ayan. Ayan. May tayo dito konti. And then, let's blend it out. And then, we're going to blend our concealer with this brush. This is a round shape brush for blemishes actually. So, let's try to blend it. Guys, another tip that I can give to you is if you're trying to blend blush, concealer, or even contour in a liquid form, never ever glide it kasi gagalaw din yung foundation nyo and kikiki yung face nyo. Like, girl, it's a no-no. Just tap it like this. And make sure na magaan lang yung pag-tap nyo. Kasi baka naman ma-hurt yung face nyo. Like, girl, very sensitive ang ating face. So, never ever ganon. Huwag mong panggigilan, be. Sarili mo yan, be. So, ayan. Let's blend that. As you can see, guys, we're done with our liquid base and this is how it looks like. And look at the coverage that it gives to my face. Like, snatch. So now, I'll be doing my blush. So, I'm using this Nichido with collagen in the shade Sugar Rush. This is my favorite shade. Hindi ko mahanap kung ano bang shade to sa ibang brand. Pero, anyways, let's just put it here para sa lifted look. Guys, if you want lifted look, make sure na yung blush nyo is hindi siya lalampas dito sa, oh my god, dito sa, ano nyo, sa eye nyo. Ayan, dito lang nyo siya ilagay. And then, pataas yung pag-blend. Paganyan. Diba? Pero if you want a round face like that, so you can add here. One more tip guys, huwag kayong matakot kapalan yung blush nyo. Kasi girl, yan yung unang-unang part ng makeup nyo na madalas, mabilis matanggal. Like girl, kahit anong gawin mo dyan, kahit sprayan mo pa yan ng setting spray, hindi yan nagtatagal ng sobra-sobra. So after putting a liquid blush, guys, set your face now with your translucent powder or any powder that you like. So this is the powder that I'll be using. This is the Sensitive, Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Blur Powder. So ito palaging ginagamit ko at nakikita niyo sa mga videos ko. Ang ingay sa labas, naririnig nyo ba yun? Naka-mic na ako pero maingay pa rin. So, iset ang under eye like that. So, binuhay ko muna yung water kasi mawawalan daw ng tubig dito sa condo hanggang 3 PM. So, mag-iipon muna ako ng water habang nag-aayos dito. So, guys, another tip that I can give to you is never ever get your powder and directly put it on your face. Kasi girl, magkikiki ang face nyo. So, i-swipe nyo muna siya dyan sa ano nyo, sa tab dito, sa wrist or sa back of your hand. Kasi may product ko dito, hindi ko naalala. So, nalagay ko siya, kaya ganyan. So, ayan, i-swipe nyo muna siya. Diba? May buo-buo kayo, like that. So, buo-buo pa yan. Ngayon, i-swipe nyo siya. And then, tsaka nyo siya ilagay. So that, smooth yung finish ng makeup nyo. Ayan. Naghahanap ako ng grayish or black na pencil ko. Hindi ko makita yung black pencil ko. So, I'll be using this brown instead. So, this is dark brown actually. This is from Detail Cosmetics. So, I'll be lining up my eyebrow here first and then the upper part. So, just watch the video guys kasi it's so hard to explain it. Okay. So, ayan. Dito muna tayo sa baba. Like that. And then just brush it. So, this is my eyebrow now. Ayan. Natural na yan for me. So, yeah. For my eyebrow, guys, what I will do is my eyeshadow. So, I'll be using this Squadlet from Squad Cosmetics. And ito muna yung ginagamit ko. The lightest shade. All over my lids. Para mag-pop yung color na ilalagay ko. So, since plain makeup look nga lang yung gagawin natin, girl, kailangan natin ng brown and neutral colors lang. So, let's use this one, the light brown here. Just to have a depth on your eyelids. And right here. And then, ang bubuhay ng mata natin is yung liquid eyeliner. Kailangan ko na rin palang bumili ng liquid eyeliner since I'm running out of it. So, mini eyeliner lang yung gagawin natin, guys. Kasi kapag hinawaan mo yan, baka maging ala Ariana Grande ka na dyan, V. Tingin lang kayo sa baba and then yung mirror nyo nasa baba para control nyo. Guys, ganyan lang dapat yung liquid eyeliner nyo para mas mukha siyang clean tingnan, no? Kasi pag hinaba nyo yan, hindi na yan clean girl makeup look. It's called It Girl or Latina makeup look, ganon. So guys, I will try to put false eyelashes on since wala nga akong eyelashes. Ganyan lang yung eyelashes ko. Diba? So, para mas ma-appreciate natin yung look na to, I'll be using this black glue. Mas madikit kasi guys yung black. You can order it on Shopee or TikTok shop. Kung gusto nyo, ilalagay ko dyan sa description box. So, medyo damihan nyo yung dulo, magkabilang dulo. Kasi sila yung usually mabilis matanggal eh. And then, huwag nyo muna ikakabit syempre pagkalagay nyo ng glue. Hintayin nyo muna siya maging tacky. Kasi pag di nyo inantay yung maging tacky, guys, hindi yan didikit sa eyelashes nyo. magkakalat yung makeup nyo. So, trust me. Ayan. So, habang hinihintay natin na maging tacky yung eyelashes natin, I'll be doing my lips. So, I want something girly. So, I'll be using a gloss and a pink shade. So, I'll open this Bare Peach from Detail Cosmetic. Actually, this is my favorite shade ng kanilang glass stain. Nakaubos na ako ng isang ganito. So, the first thing that I will use is this one from Nichido. This is also the product that I used on my blush. And then I'll put some red in the inner part. And then, let's put the gloss. Okay guys, I think my eyelashes is good to go. Good to go! So, let's put it here. So, kapag naglalagay ako ng falsies, I make sure na may salamin sa baba. Kasi baka mamaya mali-mali na pala yung ginagawa ko. So, sa gitna mo na ididikit. And then, saka nyo isunod yung sa magkabilang side. So, guys, look at the difference. This is my face with eyelashes. And this is the without. Diba? Sobrang laki ng changes kapag naglalagay ka ng falsies. Since, palagi akong walang time. Edi palagi akong walang falsies. Kasi lagi akong late. Lagi akong late nagigising. I-curl ko yung eyelashes ko. I mean, false eyelashes ko para mas mukha siya natural tingnan. And then, let's put some mascara on it. So, I'll be using this Careline mascara. Actually, ubos na rin to. And, meron naman akong spare. Pero, I'm not yet using it kasi. Let's put some highlighter on our nose. Right here. Oh, it's too harsh. Let's blend it out. This one here. Ayan. Diba? Bogs. Mama. Let's blend it here. Although, ayoko nang makinang kasi nga, after a few moments naman, makikinang ulit yung face ko kasi ang oily ko talaga. Maglagay na ako ng ating mga accessories. So, for the accessories, I'll be using this one, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to set my face with setting spray. Wait. So, iset ko muna yung face ko with this setting spray from Nichido. So, this is actually 289 something.
This is the final look and I hope na nagustuhan nyo. And please, kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down there and click the bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I posted a new video. So ayun guys, see you on my next one. Bye! If you're still watching until this video, well girl, congratulations because you have reached the surprise that I am talking about earlier. So I will give you an early access to my giveaway mechanics. So you can secure your slot already. So guys, make sure na i-comment nyo rin itong may magic word na to sa ating comment section ngayon kung napapanood nyo pa rin ako. And for me to know kung sino yung mga possible na i-join ko sa ating giveaway. Kasi gusto ko talaga na yung mga viewers and supporter ko ang maka-receive ng ating giveaway. So, ayun. Make sure din na i-PM or DM nyo ako sa IG or Facebook ko. Kasi doon ko ibibigay yung link nung ating giveaway mechanics. Ano po? So, ayun guys, good luck kasi there will be a 2 winner of this box and malay nyo, magpag-giveaway din ako ng GCash. Kaya, abangan nyo rin yung pag-post ko or pag-release ko talaga ng PubMats sa Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So, ayun, and
there was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.